male pattern hair loss or baldness or hair thinning or androgenetic alopecia is a problem that is extremely common now. And what we have been noticing is that it has shifted to younger age groups. So now I see a lot of young patients starting from 15 years or 20-year-olds. They are coming to me with a lot of hair thinning and baldness. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about why this hair thinning and baldness has started to happen in such young ages. Hi friends, I'm Dr. Urvashi Chandra. I have been practicing hair loss treatments and hair transplants in New Delhi, India for the last 13 years. So now let's understand first of all, why does androgenetic alopecia or hair thinning or baldness happen? So the main reason is your genes. So there is a hormone in our body which is called testosterone, which is called the male hormone. Now hair that are shedding, which are on the top area of the scalp, the roots of these hair are sensitive to the male hormone testosterone. And this sensitivity is something that is acquired genetically. So many a times my patients say that somebody in the family has a hair loss issue. It can either be from the father's side or it can be from the mother's side. But what is very important is that we have noticed that in earlier, the same hair loss used to happen after the age of 40 or 50. But now the same hair loss has shifted to younger age groups starting from 15 or 20. So why is this happening? That is because androgenetic alopecia is not just genetic, it is in fact an epigenetic disorder. Now, what does that mean? It means that although it is a genetic disorder, but it is affected by environmental factors. So, our environment is constantly modifying our genes. Now, what exactly are these environmental factors? Very, very crucial role is played by our lifestyle. So, depending upon what our lifestyle is, we will have a hair loss either in the early 20s if we have a genetic predisposition, or it can even be prolonged to 40 or 50. Now, what exactly are these lifestyle factors that cause early hair loss? It can be a poor diet, which is a lot of eating out. If you're skipping your fruits and veggies and salads and protein, and you are eating a lot of junk food, that can be one very, very big reason to start this hair fall in young age group. What can be the other reason is a sedentary lifestyle. So if you're not exercising, if you have a job or certain work where you are sitting at one place the entire day, which is called a sedentary lifestyle, so that can cause certain hormonal changes, and these hormonal changes will initiate or trigger your hair loss at a young age. Also, what is very, very crucial is your stress level. So what I have noticed is that in today's generation, the stress levels are very high. Because of this stress, the same hair loss that was going to happen at probably the age of 40 or 50 has started to happen at a very young age. So it is very crucial to manage stress. Again, stress can be managed through a proper sleep schedule. It can be managed through meditation. It can be managed through proper diet and exercise. Hair loss at young age can also be triggered by certain factors, such as if there has been some acute stress, if there has been some illness, if there has been a surgery, if you have suddenly lost weight after going to a gym or following a specific diet schedule where you have suddenly lost a lot of weight, or if there are some internal issues such as a thyroid issue, or if you have been smoking or having a lot of alcohol, these are certain issues that can trigger the hair loss at a very young early age. So the take home message is that if we want good healthy hair and don't want to lose hair at a young age, we need to take care of our health, because if you're healthy on the inside, we will look good on the outside. So make sure you're having a healthy diet, you're exercising, sleeping on time, managing your stress. All these will help you in saving your existing hair. Friends, I have a separate video on my channel which will elaborate all the hair treatment options that we have. If you like the video, do like it, subscribe to the channel, and do press the notification bell icon for any notifications in the future.